How are you doing, YouTube? Is your phone not starting today? Well, let's try this before you give it up. So, if you've been trying everything and it just doesn't want to start, you should try to do this. Hold the home button and the power button, just hold them in, and just keep doing that until you hopefully see the apple on your screen. That will reset the device and hopefully it will start working again. If you can't see any life when you do that, you probably have an iPhone that's not gonna turn on again ever if you don't send it in to repair it. But like I said, try to hold in the home button and the power button. Just hold them in until you see the apple.